Welcome to Crypto Signal, your go-to channel for crypto and trading. Want to know the secret tools pro traders use to stay ahead in 2025? Stick around as we reveal the top trading signal indicators to boost your profits. Trading is all about making informed decisions based on market trends. But with so many indicators out there, how do you choose the best ones? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's explore the most powerful trading indicators for 2025. First, Relative Strength Index, RSI, trend confirmation. First up, we have RSI, Relative Strength Index. This indicator measures market momentum and helps identify whether an asset is overbought or oversold. A reading above 70 means a potential sell signal, while below 30 suggests a buy opportunity. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, Trend Reversal Detector. MACD, one of the most powerful tools to detect trend reversals. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish sign, and when it crosses below, it's bearish. Many traders use this to time their entries and exits. Third, Bollinger Bands, volatility measurement. If you want to understand market volatility, Bollinger Bands are your best friend. When the bands widen, volatility is high, and when they contract, it signals a period of low volatility, often before a breakout. Fourth, Fibonacci Retracement, key support and resistance levels. Ever wondered how professional traders identify perfect support and resistance levels? Fibonacci Retracement uses historical price movements to predict future retracement levels, helping traders set stop losses and price targets. 5. Ichimoku Cloud, all-in-one indicator. Last but not least, we have the Ichimoku Cloud, an all-in-one indicator that shows trend direction, momentum, and support resistance levels. If the price is above the cloud, it's an uptrend, and if it's below, it's a downtrend. Now here's the golden rule. No single indicator is perfect. The best traders combine multiple indicators to confirm their signals. For example, using RSI with MACD can improve accuracy, or pairing Bollinger Bands with Fibonacci levels can enhance breakout predictions. And that's it. The top trading signal indicators for 2025. Which one do you use most? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Crypto Signal. Happy trading! Disclaimer: the content provided by Crypto Signal is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not offer financial, investment, or trading advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and unpredictable. Always do your own research, or DYOR, and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Crypto Signal is not responsible for any gains or losses resulting from the use of this information. Stay safe, stay informed, and happy investing.